Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to delete posts on Offerup. So first things first, for you to be able to delete it, you'll just need to go ahead and open the Offerup app on your mobile phone. Now right after, onto the bottom bar of your screen, you need to go ahead and tap onto offers. Now you need to switch to selling section from the top and tap on the desired item from the list. So for example, you want to go ahead and delete this one. So you'll just need to tap onto that, and then right after you'll get redirected onto its information, and you should be able to see these three dots beside the edit option. So what you need to do right after is to click onto that or tap onto that item, and then you should be able to see an option to archive it. So you could tap on the archive option from the confirmation pop-up, and the desired post will get unlisted immediately. So just simply click onto archive again to go ahead and delete that specific item or unlist that specific item on Offerup. And that's just basically it onto how to delete post on Offerup. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.